Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the future tense. I already explained simple present tense or past tense, and the third tense reference is the future tense. About the future tense, almost you know, still we need to know a little bit detail. Future time, actually we don't have such a time in our understanding. The activities that about to happen in the forthcoming time, that we can say future time reference or future tense we say. So we don't have an exact formula for that. So we have to formulate or we have to make such a formula for future time reference or future tenses. So if you know better the details, nuances of present tense, all the kinds of present tense, simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous, then we can say it is easy to make future tenses on the basis of this present tense. For example, I told you simple present tense. I already explained to you about the formula subject plus verb ka first form V1 plus object. So here what we have to do to make it future, to make a future formula, we can just put a shall or will, two models between the subject and the verb, main verb. For example, subject V1 object. So subject and V1 verb का first form इसके बीच में we have to put that one. So in that case, subject, we can say subject shall or will plus V1 plus object. This is the way that we can make formula. That means in prior to it we need to get a full knowledge about the present tense. So if you know the present tense formulation of the formula, or if you know how to make the sentences in present tense, then it's very simple to make it in future tense. And next one is present continuous. So if you know the present continuous, come to we can just change into present future continuous. First we should know the formula of present continuous. What is present continuous formula? Subject plus is/are plus V4 plus object. So subject plus is/are, this is it shows the present tense. So we need the future tense. So in that place we need to write the shall or will. Shall or will model will tell us that we are referring to the future tense or aane wali event, or what is going to happen the next moment. So that we can say that is the future tense reference. We can say shall or will, we have to put between the subject and the main verb. So subject plus shall or will. Now comes, we should understand a common understanding. Present continuous is. So continuous tense में helping verb with V4. V4 means verb का fourth form, that is present participle of the verb, and that is in ing form. So we can say that one subject plus is/are plus V4. So subject plus, in future we can say subject plus shall or will plus is/are will become B. It's a base form we will take, because with the shall or will we cannot add is/are, because all these three forms are used in different subjects in the present tense. But in future tense we are using its base form. The basic common form is the B. So we can say subject plus shall or will plus B plus V4 ing. Then we only put that shall or will immediately after the subject. Then instead of is/are, in the place of is/are, we put its base form B. That's all. So shall be or will be, subject plus shall be or will be plus V4 plus this object. V4 means verb ka ing form, that is a present participle form. Okay, so like that we can do the present this one. Then we can say next one, like that present perfect tense. If you know that one, present perfect tense, what is the formula? Subject plus has or have plus V3, verb ka third form, that is past participle of the verb. So in that case we need to do that one. We can say past participle of the verb, we can put in the future tense. When we convert, again shall or will, the use of shall or will is there. Subject plus shall or will plus have plus V3, shall have plus V3, shall or will have plus V3 object. This is the formula. Subject has have plus V3 plus object. So subject and has have के बीच में shall or will. So once you put shall or will, then we have to use the verb का base form, that is a have plural form, not the has. So we need to write, we need to understand subject plus has have, sorry, shall or will plus have plus V3 plus object. Same way we can make it into future perfect continuous. How? Present perfect continuous, from present perfect continuous we can convert into future perfect continuous. So present perfect continuous is that subject plus has have plus been plus V4 plus object. So here we can say subject that immediately after the subject we need to put a shall or will in future tense. So subject shall or will plus then have plus been plus V4. So this is the way, plus object, then we will get the future. So सबसे पहले we need to understand the formula formation of the formulas or formula of all the present tense. Then it's very easy, very simple to convert into future tense, and it is very easy to understand also. So dear students, I think it will be useful for your better understanding of the future tense. And tomorrow today we will learn this one, and next day onwards we will go further details. Okay, thank you very much.